Greetings everyone. I am Rajul
And I am Vasu.
and today we both are here to present our English art integration project.
Which is based on the chapter on killing a tree and presented to you by Rajul Tyagi and Vasu Mittal.
Acknowledgement. We would like to express our special thanks of gratitude to our teacher Mrs. Nadia ma'am for guiding us throughout and helping us at every step. We would not have been able to complete this without her constant support. We would also like to thank our school management for giving us this wonderful opportunity to showcase our talents, due to which we were able to learn a lot many things. Lastly, we would like to express our gratitude towards our family members and friends for their constant support.
The learning outcomes from the spread project were as follows. It helped us to improve our presentation skills, communication skills, literary as well as writing skills. It taught us the importance of teamwork and we got clarity into our thoughts that team work is better than an individual one. It also developed within us a critical and logical mind. Also, it helped us to raise our self-confidence.
So first of all, let's know what is art integration and learning. Art integration and art integrated learning is a framework of experiential learning which provides an equitable learning environment for all learners through their own access points. That means through art integration learning, learners can learn any concept with the help of integrating art in it and in their own way and own pace.
So
Let's
now
get
let's
started.
get started.
Hello students, today we will study an interesting poem from our book On Killing a Tree.
Yes ma'am, I have read this poem. This is a very interesting poem with an wonderful theme.
Ma'am, the poem depicts the cruel nature that humans have towards the nature.
Ma'am, I felt very sad on reading the poem. Trees are living things and we should not cut them at any cost.
Ma'am, the poem tells us in a sarcastic way that cutting trees isn't an easy job, so we should not try to cut them.
Ma'am, but I wonder, why do humans cut down trees?
Children, women have become greedy day by day. They cut down trees to construct roads and buildings, make furniture out of it, and fulfill their luxuries. Isn't it too selfish?
Yes ma'am, you are correct. Humans are too mysterious. They cut trees, make paper out of it, and then they write save trees on it. Isn't that weird?
Ma'am, why can't humans put their greed aside and make nature their first priority? Why can't we be saviors and not Satan? I can never think of being cruel towards nature.
Yes ma'am, humans have been so greedy for their luxuries that they are ready to invest in artificial oxygen cylinders instead of the real ones.
Students, you all seem to be very caring and responsible citizens. You are the future of our country, the future of the world, the future of the humanity. And I must say, our future is in safe hands.
Yes ma'am, today itself I take a New Year resolution that I will plant a tree whenever I can. I know that nature needs to be preserved. After all, plant today to live tomorrow.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone.